Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case from Caseborne to review for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your beautiful Galaxy S23 Ultra. In this video, I will be reviewing the Caseborne V Series case for the S23 Ultra. In this video, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Does it add bulk to your phone? The overall fit of the case? Does everything line up? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Again, I like the packaging, plain and simple. Caseborne, established 2018. Even has where they at, which is in the Dallas area. Bam, they said they provide a 1-year warranty. They even have times in here. I mean, they give you a lot in here. Open daily. Says thank you for your business. You get a little card in here too. Let's see what this is. Oh, you even get a thank you note. They put a lot in that case. So here's the case itself. It has a kickstand too. Didn't even realize that. I like that design. They changed it up a little bit. You have Caseborne brand in there. This is a two-piece case. Honeycomb pattern in the inside there. I love how it has the extra grip on the sides there. But let's see. Let's peel this off. Maybe Carl made this easy to peel off. Maybe he didn't. Alright, so once you peel it apart, you want to put your phone, set your phone in the top first. That's what I normally do. Just like that. Look at that. It's going to give you a lot of lip action in the seams. And then you just want to work the case around the bottom part. Let's make sure we get that in there. And you just want to take your time. Make sure the phone is in the case itself. If you have some trouble, take your time. You know, work it around. This is I will say, a heavy duty case. It's going to protect your phone from drops. Just look at the corner protections you get from the top and the bottom. I mean, right there alone, you get the extra grip. But look at that camera cutout. So you have a lot of protection there. Also for the screen protector or the lip action at the top and bottom. You have a lot of room. I mean, there's a lot of room there too. Look, just look at it. The power button is easy to press. The volume rockers are nice and tactile. I love how the buttons feel. Buttons are very important for a case. Now you have this kickstand back here too. And it's not a cheap kickstand, so it's sturdy. You can watch your favorite YouTuber that way, this way, or even that way. So you have multiple ways of using the kickstand. I love that. I like that design though. Again, what's the point of this year with Forest Tech Reviews is the grip. These extra grips on the side makes it where it doesn't feel like you're going to drop your phone or the case because you have the extra grip. You have everything that lines up. You have enough room for your charger down there. Now again, most people cut this flap off. I usually leave it on there, but if you want to cut it off, you can. The pen is easy to get out because they come down all the way to the frame of the case. So it makes it easy for you to get out the pen, which is very important, by the way. Again, you wouldn't feel like you want to, drop your phone on the table and worry about it. And it works great, except for the pen pops out. But that's not the problem of the case. So it's going to protect it. This is a heavy duty. It will add bulk to your phone. The overall fit is great because it's in a 2-piece case, so it's not going anywhere. So you got that protection that you look for. Can you wireless charge? Yes, you can even wireless charge. You get the protection, it fits well, it has extra grip. Man, I'm gonna drop my phone. Yes, I do drop tests. No, I'm not dropping it 20 feet, but I will drop it on my table though. But if you want to pick up this case from Amazon, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely pick it up. Go support a local Texan and help them out. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button for Forrest Tech Reviews. That way you know when I'm dropping the latest video on the S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.